In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly. Whether you're new to Grammarly or looking to enhance your current writing process, you'll find this guide easy to follow and incredibly useful. First, let's start by searching for Grammarly on Google. Simply open your web browser and type Grammarly into the search bar. Once the search results appear, you'll want to click on the official Grammarly website. Here you'll be met with an option that says Get Grammarly. Click on that to begin the download process. If you don't already have a Grammarly account, you'll need to sign up. This is as simple as following the prompts to create your account details. If you have an existing account, you can proceed to log in. Type in your email and click continue. To make the process even more seamless, you can also choose to continue with Google, which links your Google account to Grammarly for easy access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. The next step is to head over to the Apps section. If you're using a Windows device, you'll see an option to install Grammarly for Windows. Click on it and follow the straightforward installation process. Similarly, if you're using Chrome, you can click to install the Grammarly extension. You'll be prompted to add to Chrome, followed by a confirmation to add extension. Remember to pin Grammarly in your extensions for quick access. This will allow Grammarly to automatically check your writing as you work across different platforms. Now let's get into using Grammarly effectively. Open up a Google Doc or any writing platform you prefer. If the Grammarly extension is installed and pinned, you'll notice its icon appearing on your writing interface. Clicking on the Grammarly icon will initiate grammar checks on your document. Grammarly will start providing you with suggestions to enhance your text, from correcting spelling and grammatical errors to offering style and tone improvements. As you navigate through your document, you'll be able to see these suggestions as underlined words or phrases. Click on any suggestion to see a detailed description and decide if you want to accept or reject the change. It's a fantastic way to learn from the feedback and make real-time improvements to your writing with ease. Finally, by incorporating Grammarly's insights into your daily writing routine, you'll start noticing significant improvements in readability and clarity. And that's how you master the use of Grammarly, improving your writing effectively and efficiently. So go ahead, start writing with confidence and experience the difference Grammarly can make.